Right now, millions of people are charging their phones with something that could do this. One of these is built to protect you. The other was never designed to. Today, we're going inside both worlds, the real factory and the one trying to fake it. By the end, you'll never look at a charger the same way again. Precision machines cut the copper into exact lengths for internal wiring. Hundreds of tiny components are placed with robotic precision onto each circuit board. Intense, controlled heat fuses each component permanently into place. Every single joint is inspected before the board moves forward. Each board is tested for voltage accuracy and electrical safety.
The outer casing is molded from durable, heat-resistant plastic.
Each casing is molded with precise dimensions to fit internal components perfectly. The circuit board is seated precisely, connected to every safety component inside. A built-in fuse is added, designed to cut power instantly if something goes wrong. The casing is sealed shut, permanently protecting the components inside. High-voltage testing ensures the charger can safely handle electrical surges. Durability tests confirm the charger can survive everyday drops and impact.
Thermal imaging confirms the charger stays safely cool, even under load.
Certified safety marks are printed on, proof that it passed every required test. Every charger that reaches this point meets the exact same rigorous standard. The finished charger is carefully packaged, ready for the store shelf. This is what it takes to make a charger that's actually safe to use. The outside looks almost identical, but almost nothing inside is the same. Instead of pure copper, this process starts with a thinner, weaker wire.
No machine precision here, just a rushed, manual cut.
Where robots once worked with precision, human hands now rush through by guesswork. Every joint is rushed, with none of the consistency a real factory demands. The one component designed to stop a disaster is simply left out. The casing is poured by hand, with no precision mold or safety-grade material. Thin, uneven plastic, nowhere near the heat resistance of the real thing. The board is forced inside, with no regard for how the components sit. Wires that should be separated and insulated are left dangerously exposed. Where real chargers are sealed for protection, this one is simply glued shut. A visible seam, a telltale sign of a rushed, unsafe build. There's no voltage testing, no safety check, just a quick plug-in and a hopeful glance. A certification mark is added, but it was never actually earned. No two are exactly alike, a quiet giveaway of how they were made. No retail box, no real branding, just a plain bag hiding what's inside. Packed in bulk, ready to be sold online as something they're not. Online, it looks just like the real thing. In person, it never was. From this small room, thousands of these will reach homes everywhere. This is what's sitting in millions of drawers right now, waiting to be plugged in. Now, let's find out what's really happening inside each one. The real charger stays cool, even under a full continuous load. The fake charger heats up almost immediately, well past a safe temperature. The real charger holds a perfectly stable voltage, exactly as advertised.
The fake charger's voltage spikes unpredictably, a serious risk to any device plugged into it.
The real charger survives the drop without a single crack. The fake shatters on the very first drop, exposing exactly how fragile it really is. Inside, everything is exactly where it should be, including the fuse that keeps you safe. Inside, the one part meant to protect you was never there at all. Under continuous stress, the fake charger starts to fail, exactly where it's weakest. This is the exact moment a $2 charger becomes a genuine fire hazard. Under the exact same stress, the real charger simply keeps working. Even the phone itself can tell the difference over time. Unstable power doesn't just risk a fire, it quietly wears down your battery too. To someone who knows what to look for, the difference is obvious in seconds. This one missing piece is often the difference between safe and dangerous. Even the weight in your hand can tell you something is different. If you're not sure what you're plugging in, it's simply not worth the risk. Weight, safety marks, and how it feels in your hand can tell you more than the price tag ever will. Two chargers, two very different journeys, and only one you should ever plug in. This is what peace of mind actually looks like. Next time you plug something in, remember, real safety can never be faked.